This video is for anybody who followed this video from Earth 2004, installing Android TV onto your Mi Box. I tried exactly as what the video did. Commented asking for help. He got back to me and he pointed out that I should try formatting my USB that I have all my APKs on, and after playing around for a while I did figure out how to fix it. So if you are getting stuck in a boot loop as well, and if you're going through some trouble, this video will help you out. All credit goes to Earth 2004, the uploader. I will put the links for the original video in the description, and all the download files are there as well. I will put these download links on my description as well, but if you want to go and see his video, that's there. But this video is for anybody who's get stuck in a boot loop and wants to know how the hell you fix it. Follow the steps that I show you. To get into the Mi Box recovery, you just need to hold the OK button and the back button at the same time. Unplug the power cable, plug it back in. Just watch for the light there. As soon as that light comes on, hold the two buttons like so, and be very close, can't be far away for some reason, not a clue. Comes on, hold the two buttons until you get to this screen. Once you are at this screen, I don't know if this matters, but I always just go wipe all data and press OK on that, confirm, then go to restore system all the way down here. It will take you back into like this ancient software that first came with your Mi Box. Click OK on that, confirm, let it do its thing. Once that's all done, reboot the system. Once that's done, just go through the setup. You must log into a Wi-Fi network, then you will get to this screen. After you go through the setup, there's like full-on ancient software. Have a USB, I assume, that got all the files that you need for flashing Android TV onto your Mi Box. Plug that in now. I find it easy to install the English settings now. Go to your USB, and that should be the folder, or whatever you name it to. I just kept it the way it is. Go to 0 apps and install the settings. It's the first option you click on, and once you're here, click OK, and then just tick the top one. Go to your left side option, click OK, go back, install now. That's just for unknown sources to install on your Android box. Second option, and then go down until you see the little earth thingy to change the language. First option again, and you should see English there. And now we got English going on. Once you have English, just go back to your home screen, click up and go to settings, system update, turn that off, and you should have the newest update, which is 1.5.33 stable. Click on update. Once that's done, just click reboot. Once everything has done updating and restarted, go up, press up, and go into your removable hard disk, and go into it, find the folder where all your APKs are, and then it will be the King's root, and open. From here on, you're gonna need a mouse, just any mouse. Just plug it in to your Mi box, and then you see this little arrow. Just click and drag it up, and click on try it. Once you're here, click on try to root. Once you get this, I just press cancel. Once it's all done, just go back. You will get this pop up, and just click on cancel again, and go into and install the S Manager APK. Install that, and click on open. Click on browse as root. Click OK. You should get this. Took a while for some reason, but wait until you get this. So this is you giving root access to the S Manager. Just click on allow, click on storage, that's down here, and go into USB on the go, USB OTG. Click on that, go inside your USB, and you should see the folder that you have renamed, or just this name, and that contains all of your other folders with the APKs. Hold it, copy, click on the storage tab here again, and then go into SD card 0/storage/emulated/legacy. Go into there. You don't have to click on any folder, just click on select this directory. It will copy the files from the USB to your Mi box. Once that's finished copying, the folder should be here, and if you're unsure where you at, you can click on the storage tab here again, and make sure that you're inside the Mi box folder, which is the emulated legacy. Click on it again, and once again you will see the folder that you just copied onto here. Click on that root folder, root. Click on that, and you will see the SuperSU.sh. Click on that SuperSU thing up here. It should turn green. Once you click on that, click run, and it will bring this up and asking if you agree. Just I click on apply to all. Okay. It doesn't matter if you're expert or a new user, just click on expert and click continue. Make sure you click on normal, then click on reboot. Once the system reboots, click on my apps and make sure that you don't have Purify on your system still installed. I don't know why, but for some reason, after you installing SuperSU, Purify get left over, and funnily enough, for some reason it's been uninstalled this time. So the trouble that I had was Purify was still installed once I after install SuperSU. If you do have Purify it's still installed, make sure you uninstall it. To uninstall something, you can just settings app, you can just hold the OK button on your remote and go delete. Don't delete the settings, obviously. Delete the Purify app. That should stop you from getting into a boot loop because that's what worked for me. Because when I first followed the tutorial, it didn't work. He also recommended that I format my USB, which I didn't do. But if you do see Purify, do uninstall it. Yeah, so that's how you get rid of Purify. You just simply hold on it and go delete. That should go out of the way. Once Purify is not in your system, you can go on to do the next step. If that is there, you will get stuck on a boot loop. I tried like 6 times going through this whole entire thing, restoring it to like the ancient software and updating. Once you go through all of that, then you can click on S Manager again, or else you get stuck in a boot loop. Click on S Manager, then click on Grant, just for root access. Click OK. Click on storage, just to be on the safe side, and go into your Mibox folder, which is the emulator/legacy. Go into the folder which holds all the APKs, GApps TV folder this time, and you should see this in here. Once again, before you do install this, make sure that Purify is deleted from your system if it's still there after installing SuperSU, or else you get stuck in a boot loop. So if that's not there, that's great. Click on that little file, click on SU, and you will get into the booting animation of the Android TV. Once again, if you didn't delete that Purify app from your system, or if it wasn't deleted after you installed SuperSU file, you will have a boot loop. It will just stay like this for the rest of your life, and it wouldn't work. But if you did delete Purify, or if it was deleted after installing SuperSU, you should be fine. It takes, I don't know, like 2 minutes to 5. It shouldn't take too long, and it should boot into your logging into the Google account and stuff like that. You know that you're in a boot loop if your screen goes off, goes black for like a millisecond, and it comes back on and it's just the same animation. That means you're in a boot loop. You don't even have to try to do anything. You can have to restart. I have no clue what that is. It just comes with the King's Root thing, like I showed before. Earth 2004, he's the one who mentioned that it shouldn't be there, so I just tried deleting it and it worked for me. So that's the way to fix your boot loop. So it says Android, and you can choose English, whatnot. Go through all of the settings. I'm not gonna do all of that because I have another Mibox, and I will unplug this one, plug the one that I have already done in, just to show it. This is the second Mibox. This is the first Mibox that I just installed on, so that's my second Mibox. That's just booting up now. That's I already have set up. There you go. You should be inside your Mibox with Android TV flashed. Huge thanks to Earth 2004 to recommending me that I should format my SD card, and letting me know that Purify shouldn't be there. So that was a big help. So this should work for you people as well. Just make sure that Purify is not there after you installing SuperSU. If it is not there, then that means you're good to go. If it is there, just uninstall it, and you should be all good. So hope this helps everybody.